Hey everyone, today we've got a quick and super handy tip for all you Safari users out there. We're going to learn how to customize your browser's toolbar, making your web browse experience even smoother and more efficient. It's actually really simple to do. All you need to do is right-click anywhere on the toolbar area. From that menu, select Customize Toolbar. Now a flyout menu will appear, and this is where the magic happens. You'll see a whole bunch of different icons and functionalities that you can add. Things like a quick way to share pages, a button for your reading list, cloud tab, or even a print button. To add something, just drag the icon you want directly onto your toolbar area. You'll notice that as you drag, the existing icons will automatically adjust to make space for your new addition. It's really intuitive. So take your time, explore all the options, and add the tools that you think will be most helpful for your everyday browse and workflow. Having your most used features just a click away can seriously boost your productivity. Now, let's say you've customized your toolbar and you've played around with it, but you decide you want to go back to how it was originally. No worries at all. If you want to revert back to the default look of the toolbar, simply drag the entire default set. You'll see it at the bottom of the Customize menu back onto your toolbar. And just like that, it'll be back to its original layout. That's about it, everyone. But it can make a big difference in how you use Safari. I hope this quick tutorial was helpful. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you all on the next one.